Are you fascinated by the world of hacking? Want to learn how to become a hacker yourself? In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 hacking courses that will teach you the skills you need to become a hacker. And here's the best part, there's no affiliate marketing. That means I'm not promoting these courses to earn any commissions. I genuinely believe in the value they provide and want to share them with you. So, if you're ready to dive into the exciting world of hacking, keep watching. The first course is Learn Ethical Hacking from Scratch. This course on Udemy will teach you how to hack systems, networks, and websites like a black hat hacker and secure them like a pro. This course is highly practical, but it won't neglect the theory. They'll start with ethical hacking basics, break down the different penetration testing fields and install the needed software. Then they'll dive and start hacking straight away. You'll learn everything by example, by analyzing and exploiting different systems such as networks, servers, clients, websites, etc. The course is divided into a number of sections. Each section covers a penetration testing, hacking field. In each of these sections, you'll first learn how the target system works, the weaknesses of this system, and how to practically exploit these weaknesses to hack this system. By the end of the course, you will have a strong foundation in most hacking or penetration testing fields, and you'll also learn how to detect, prevent, and secure systems and protect yourself from the discussed attacks. The course is divided into 4 main sections: network hacking, gaining access, post-exploitation, and web application hacking. With this course, you'll get 24/7 support, so if you have any questions, you can post them in the Q&A section, and they'll respond to you within 15 hours. The second is Ethical Hacking Nanodegree Program. Are you a professional who wants to learn how to hack ethically and switch your career path? Do you have some basic understanding of Linux and networking? If yes, then this ethical hacking course from Udacity is a great option for you. This course will teach you the fundamentals of ethical hacking and how to perform penetration testing and red teaming operations on various systems and networks. You will learn how to use popular tools such as Kali Linux, Metasploit, Nmap, Burp Suite, Wireshark, and more. You will also learn how to identify and exploit vulnerabilities, how to evade detection and defense mechanisms, and how to report your findings in a professional manner. This course is part of the Ethical Hacker Nanodegree program from Udacity, which is designed to help you become a certified ethical hacker and advance your career in cybersecurity. As a Nanodegree student, you will benefit from the mentor support, real-world industry projects, and career guidance that Udacity offers. You will also have access to the online community of fellow learners and experts who can help you along your learning journey. This course is suitable for intermediate learners who have some prior knowledge of ethical hacking. The course duration is about 4 months, with an estimated workload of 10 hours per week. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and confidence to hack ethically and secure systems and networks like a pro. This ethical hacking course is one of the best online courses for hacking that you can find. The third course is Ethical Hacking Essentials by EC Council. This course is an introductory cybersecurity course that covers ethical hacking and penetration testing fundamentals and prepares learners for a career in cybersecurity. The course objectives are to teach learners the basics of information security and ethical hacking, such as threats and vulnerabilities, password cracking, web application attacks, IoT and OT attacks, cloud computing, pentesting fundamentals, and more. The course also provides hands-on practical experience to learners using various tools and techniques. The course is aligned with the EC Council Certified Ethical Hacker exam and can help learners prepare for it. EHE certified learners have an assured means of formal recognition to add to their resumes and show off their expertise and skills to prospective employers. The course is part of the Cybersecurity Attack and Defense Fundamentals specialization on Coursera, which consists of 4 courses that cover different aspects of cybersecurity. The specialization is designed to help learners become certified ethical hackers and advance their career in cybersecurity. The course duration is about 32 hours, with an estimated workload of 10 hours per week. The course is suitable for beginners who have no previous experience in ethical hacking. The course is taught in English, with subtitles available in 8 languages. The course includes 8 videos, 8 quizzes, and 12 assessments. The course offers a shareable certificate upon completion. The fourth course is IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. This course is a course on Coursera that will teach you the skills and knowledge you need to become a cybersecurity analyst. The course objectives are to help you develop the following skills: data protection and endpoint protection, security information and event management, systems and network fundamentals, compliance and threat intelligence, incident response and forensics, penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. The course also provides you with hands-on experience using various tools and techniques to detect, analyze, and respond to cyber threats. You will also learn how to communicate effectively with stakeholders and present your findings in a professional manner. The course is aligned with the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst badge, which is an employer-recognized credential that demonstrates your proficiency in cybersecurity. The badge can help you advance your career in the cybersecurity field and qualify for in-demand job titles such as Junior Cybersecurity Analyst, Cybersecurity Analyst, IT Security Analyst, or Information Security Analyst 1. The course consists of 8 courses that cover different topics in cybersecurity. The courses are: Introduction to Cybersecurity Tools and Cyber Attacks, Cybersecurity Roles, Processes and Operating System Security, Cybersecurity Compliance Framework and System Administration, Network Security and Database Vulnerabilities, Penetration Testing, Incident Response and Forensics, Cyber Threat Intelligence, Cybersecurity Capstone, Breach Response Case Studies, and IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Assessment. The course duration is about 4 months, with an estimated workload of 10 hours per week. The course is suitable for beginners and intermediate learners who have no degree or prior experience in cybersecurity. The course is taught in English, with subtitles available in 8 languages. The course includes videos, quizzes, assessments, and projects. The course offers a shareable certificate upon completion. The 5th course is the Complete Ethical Hacking Course, Beginner to Advanced. This course is a comprehensive and practical guide to ethical hacking, penetration testing, web testing, and Wi-Fi hacking using Kali Linux. The course objectives are to teach you how to perform ethical hacking and penetration testing activities using Kali Linux, a popular Linux distribution for security professionals. Use various tools and techniques to scan, exploit, and secure systems, networks, and websites. Remain anonymous and protect your identity while hacking. Make money online as a freelancer or get a better job in the IT field by using your ethical hacking skills. The course is suitable for beginners and intermediate learners who want to master ethical hacking. The course assumes that you have no prior knowledge about ethical hacking and covers the basics and theory of every topic. The course also provides step-by-step instructions for installing VirtualBox and creating your virtual environment on Windows, Mac, and Linux 1. The course consists of 25 sections that cover different topics in ethical hacking. Some of the topics are Basics of Linux, Tor, proxy chains, VPN, and Macanger, Nmap, cracking Wi-Fi, DOS attacks, SSL strip, known vulnerabilities, SQL injections, cracking Linux passwords, Metasploit, and more topics that are added every month. The course duration is about 24.5 hours, with an estimated workload of 10 hours per week. The course includes 113 videos, 2 articles, 1 downloadable resource, and 2 practice tests. The course offers a certificate of completion upon finishing the course. The 6th course is Certified Ethical Hacking Course V12. This course is offered by Edureka in partnership with EC Council, the world's largest cybersecurity technical certification body. The course aims to teach you how to hack systems, networks, and websites ethically and legally, using various tools and techniques. You will learn how to perform attacks using Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, SQL injection, XSS, and more. You will also learn how to secure systems and networks from hackers and prevent cyber attacks. The course is based on the CEHV12 curriculum, which covers the latest trends and technologies in ethical hacking. The course also includes 40 hours of live online classes, exam voucher, free hands-on labs access, e-courseware, and mentor support. The course prepares you for the CEHV12 certification exam, which is a globally recognized credential that validates your skills and knowledge in ethical hacking 1. The course is suitable for beginners and intermediate learners who want to master ethical hacking and pursue a career in cybersecurity. The course requires some basic knowledge of networking and Linux. The course duration is about 5.5 weeks, with an estimated workload of 10 hours per week. The course offers a shareable certificate upon completion. The last course is Hacking in Practice Intensive Ethical Hacking Mega Course. This course is a course on Udemy that will teach you how to hack and secure over 20 different systems using real-world scenarios. The course objectives are to teach you how to perform ethical hacking and penetration testing activities using various tools and techniques, exploit vulnerabilities in web applications, databases, servers, routers, wireless networks, mobile devices, and more. Use tools such as Hydra, John the Ripper, Hashcat, SQLmap, Nikto, and more. Learn the theory and practice of ethical hacking and its security. The course is designed for intermediate learners who have some basic knowledge of ethical hacking. The course covers the basics and theory of every topic but focuses more on the practical aspects of hacking. The course also provides step-by-step instructions for setting up your own hacking lab and performing the attacks. The course duration is about 27.5 hours, with an estimated workload of 10 hours per week. The course includes 239 videos, 2 articles, 1 downloadable resource, and 2 practice tests. The course offers a certificate of completion upon finishing the course. The course also offers a bonus. Finishing this ethical hacking course, you will get a free voucher for ISA CISS examination. This is a certification exam that validates your skills and knowledge in ethical hacking. That's all for this video, and I hope you learned a lot. These are some of the best hacking courses that you can take advantage of to become a hacker. This is just 7. You can find the links to these courses in the description below and which course is best for you. If you loved this video, please show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more videos like this. I would love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!